We're going to learn two concepts today. First is signal folding and advanced. Sorry. And advance. And the second one is signal folding and delay. The example for signal folding and advance is x of minus n minus 2. The example of signal folding and delay is x of minus n plus 2. Note that in the previous videos or previously we have seen that if we have to calculate x of n minus 1, we used to call it, what do you call it? Time delay we used to call it. And here we see that delay term is referred to plus sign. Why? Because there is a minus sign associated with the n variable over here. Similarly, when we used to calculate x of n plus 1, we used to call it time advance. But this is associated with a minus sign over here in this case. Why? Because there is a negative sign associated with n. Okay, so what we do is when minus n comes into picture, we reverse everything. That is why we have reversed time delay to time advance and time advance to time delay. Okay, you will understand it better when we consider or solve for these two examples over here. Okay, now let's solve for signal folding and advance first. Folding and advance. Okay, let's consider the value of x of n is given as 1, 2, 3, 4. My arrow is at 3, which means my 0 is at 3. This is 1, this is minus 1, this is minus 2. Alright, and what do I have to find? I have to find x of minus n minus 2. Okay, now let's move on to the solution. We always make a table, okay, starting with the first column, which is n, then we have x of n, and then we have x of minus n minus 2, which is what we have to find. Okay, so we have minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1 as 4 values of n. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4 as 4 values of x of n. Okay, now what we have to do is simply substitute the value of n. Note that we are substituting the value of n and we are not substituting for minus n. So how am I going to do this? For n is equal to minus 2, what I am going to do is x of minus 2 minus 2. So this I am writing over here again, which is nothing but minus and minus becomes plus. So x of 2 minus 2, which is equal to x of 0. What is the value of x of 0? It's 3. Okay, let me just make a distinct column over here to avoid confusion. Okay, now let's calculate for x of minus 1. X of minus 1. What I am doing is keeping this minus intact and substituting n with the value of n. So x of minus 1 minus 2, which is nothing but x of 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 2. What is the value? X of minus 1. Okay, we know what is the value for x of minus 1. It is 2. So let's write 2 over here. Okay, then we have to calculate for x of 0. So we substitute x of minus 0 minus 2, which is nothing but x of minus 2. What is x of minus 2? It is 1. Okay, and now we substitute 1. So x of minus 1 minus 2, which is equal to x of minus 3. We don't know the value of x of minus 3, so we are going to simply write 0 over here. Okay, now we have 3 non-zero values and 1 zero value. So we are going to consider another value for n, which will be x of n will be minus 3. X of n, we don't know what is x of minus 3, so dash, and then we will have x of minus 3 minus 2, which is nothing but x of 3 minus 2, which is equal to x of 1. We know the value of x of 1, which is 4. Okay, so we have these 4 values over here with us now. Okay, now let's draw the two signals and compare them, the original signal and the modified signal. Okay, this is the original signal where this is my x of n and this is my n. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Alright, now I am going to draw my original signal. Original signal looks something like this. At 0, my value is 3. At minus 2, this is 1, and at 1, it's 4. Okay, so this is my original signal. Okay, and now my modified signal is going to look something like this. This is n, this is x of minus n minus 2. Okay, this is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now this is going to be like this. Okay, so my modified signal is going to look something like this. So this is the original signal and this is the this is original and this is modified. Okay, this is called as, what is it called? It's called as signal folding and advance. Okay,